Let's take a look at leadership by inspiration. The era of managing by dictate is being replaced by an era of leadership by inspiration. A well chosen analogy or metaphor appeals to the intellect and to the imagination and to values. Metaphors and analogies are inspiring, but effective leaders must also choose the level of language that will suit their audience. This is important because constituents vary widely in verbal sophistication. An executive's ability to speak on a colloquial level helps create appeal. A person with a high status of executive is expected to use an elevated language style. When the person unexpectedly uses the everyday language of an operative employee, it may create a special positive response.